Hello, this is Traders Union. Today we've prepared a review of the Broker Pocket option and will break down its trading conditions, advantages, disadvantages, and key features. Pocket option is primarily focused on binary options and offers trading through its own proprietary platform, emphasizing simplicity and a quick start. The company also has a Forex offering via MetaTrader 5, but the conditions differ and may not suit everyone. In terms of available assets, Pocket option offers more than 100 instruments. These may include currency pairs, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Entry into trading is very accessible here. The minimum deposit starts from $5 and trades can be placed from $1, so many people consider this platform a way to try it out with small amounts. For practice, there is a demo account with virtual funds. The platform supports basic tools for analysis and decision-making, technical indicators, trading signals, and additional features such as social mechanics and prize tournaments. This may appeal to those who enjoy competitive formats and active trading within the platform. Now let's talk about deposits and withdrawals. Withdrawals are processed during business hours and typically take 1 to 3 business days, with a minimum withdrawal amount of $10. Timing largely depends on the chosen method. Electronic payments can be faster, while bank transfers take longer, sometimes several business days. When it comes to fees, there's an important nuance. The platform may not charge a fee, but banks and payment systems may apply their own charges, so it's best to check in advance to avoid surprises. As for the pros and cons, let's go through the key points. Advantages of Pocket option: low entry threshold, deposits from $5 and trades from $1. Wide range of assets, more than 100 instruments. A demo account for practice. Extra platform features: signals, social mechanics, and tournaments. Disadvantages of Pocket option: the company does not hold a license from a reputable international regulator, which increases the need for caution and careful verification of conditions. Customer support may not respond immediately, sometimes within 24 to 48 hours, which isn't always convenient in disputed situations. In summary, Pocket option may suit those looking for the most accessible start in binary options, who want to begin with a small amount and use additional in-platform features. But when choosing, it's important to keep regulation in mind. Check withdrawal conditions and payment system fees in advance. And if you're considering Forex via MT5, clarify deposit requirements and account parameters before funding. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to Traders Union and click the bell to get even more reviews of the most popular brokers. Good luck and make well-informed trading decisions.